let's get our carburetor on. Bam! That is super sexy. All right, folks, welcome back to another episode of Odyssey Life. I'm Bernie. This is the Odyssey Life Workshop, and I'm super excited you stopped by today because today we got a GT250 FL250 giveaway machine video for you guys. We're super excited. It's always an exciting time for all of us when we jump back on the GT250. Today's video, guys, it's super exciting. We're going to be working on the power plant for the GT250 by installing our intake manifold, exhaust manifold, also installing our freshly restored and polished carburetor that Joe from ODATV sent us. And also we're going to be putting on our freshly restored intake manifold ported for our block. Super exciting, guys. It's been a couple weeks since we've been on the GT250, and I don't know if you saw the post on the Odyssey Life Facebook page. It's where we post everything about the Odyssey Life YouTube channel. We did get our super sexy DG high flow exhaust in the mail, also from Joe from ODATV. Obviously, Joe doesn't sell DG pipes, but he is the sponsor of this build and our channel, and he just happens to be the premier place for FL250 and 350 parts. So head on over there to odysseylifebybernie.com. Get something to keep your machine running. So yeah, guys, super exciting about the GT250. Still a lot of goodies to slap on this bad girl, so stay tuned, guys. All right, let's get to work. Yeah, guys, it's super exciting to be back in the Odyssey Life garage. Look at that brand new DG exhaust. Super exciting. There's our carb. We'll take that over to the bench. Joe did a great job shining that bad boy up. There's the FL350. If you didn't check out our last rip and ride, go check out Asher from Asher's Lifetime YouTube channel taking his first ride in the FL350. Alright guys, there's our stuff. Add our carburetor to the Q or the Quay or whatever it is. And we got the tools set out and all our hardware and stuff. So we can start slapping our shiny restored parts back onto this engine cradle and the engine, so we can be one more step to getting this engine permanently reinstalled in the GT250. Alright guys, let's get to work. Okay folks, here we are. We're sitting here at our workbench. We got the freshly powder coated FL250 engine cradle here. We have obviously our GT250 power plant with our ported and polished CW race engine top end from Campbell, California. And then the whole rest of the block was finished off by Joe from ODATV, giving us this beautiful, sexy, hopefully mean running engine for the GT250 giveaway machine. So alright folks, I have the FL250 manual page right here for our engine mounting bolts, and I believe looking at it from this direction, it shows our bolt and our lock washer out on this side over here. You can also see by looking at where the GT250 transmission is, it is definitely on, standing in front of the machine, it's on the right hand side. So we definitely want our crankshaft that we put our clutch on to be on that side as well. And this is also the direction that we install the engine cradle. So everything is going to go together exactly how we'll place it in the machine. So alright, we got our two beautifully cleaned bolts. And if I'm not mistaken, they are a 14mm nut and bolt. Wiggle that bad boy in there. If you need a hammer, anything will do. So there we go. Our engine cradle bolts are in. And remember, both of the head of the bolt and the nut are both 14mm. So we're going to go ahead, slide these in, and then tighten them down. ladies and gentlemen, our engine is securely mounted to our engine crate. Alright, so the next step here real quick, we did get our head bolt with our crush washer here to put in place of where the second spark plug. So, and that is I already got one. That is a 21 millimeter. So we're going to go ahead and thread that in using our fingers. And then once it's in, and we're not going to take it off. Alright guys, let's get reset up, get the engine spun around, and we'll go ahead and we'll put on our exhaust manifold. Alright guys. We're going to go ahead and we're going to put on our exhaust manifold and the copper gasket. And when you're looking at the gasket, the groove goes down. So that goes like it sits right inside your exhaust manifold port. And we're going to go ahead and we're going to put our, don't forget on the top mount, on the top two bolts, you want to put your spring bracket in there. Don't want to forget your spring bracket. That goes on the top with the top two bolts. In fact, yeah, we can go ahead. We'll take two of our exhaust manifold bolts, also 10 millimeter. Alright folks, our exhaust manifold is on. It is super exciting. Let's go ahead, spin this bad boy around for our freshly rebuilt and restored carburetor. We're going to go ahead and we're going to stick it in there just to see how it looks. Alright, let's see how it looks. Guys, I don't know about you, but the GT250, the engine is starting to look super sexy. Alright. Let's get our carburetor on. Bam! Alright guys, look at that. That is super sexy. Well, last minute decision. I figured since we're at it, we might as well throw our freshly restored rubber lower engine mounts on. We can't put our engine in the frame quite yet until we get our driven clutch on our transmission. Then we'll be able to slap this bad boy home. But in the meantime, we'll go ahead and put the lower rubber mounts on. That's 6 10 millimeter bolts with lock washers. I'm going to get you guys set up and you can watch me do that. All right, let's get to it. Alright folks, what did you think of the GT250 episode this week? I had a lot of fun making it. I hope you enjoyed the videos I played throughout the video. They were all posted up on the Odyssey Life Facebook page. If you don't know about that, go over to Facebook, Odyssey Life. can head over there, become part of the family. It's a whole different Odyssey experience. No attitudes and egos, guys. We answer all questions, and we'd be happy to have you. So head over there, Odyssey Life Facebook page. And last but not least, don't forget about our proud sponsor, Joe from odysseylifebybernie.com. Joe did a bang-up job on that carburetor, guys. He knocked it out of the park. Super excited about this when I got it in the mail. It's always Christmas morning. So yeah, if you need something to keep your FL250 or 350 running, head over to odysseylifebybernie.com. Yeah, get you some of that. Yeah, tell them Odyssey Life sent you. All right, folks, as I always say, if you're riding, stay safe, wear a helmet, and don't forget, it ain't work if you're having fun, guys. Had a super exciting time. Glad you stopped by. See you next week. Woo-wee! I am so stupid.